Salix nigra is the black willow. This tree is native across the United States along stream banks. It has a very rapid growth rate, can get 40 to 80 feet high, 30 to 50 feet wide. This is pretty typical. You usually have either a single stem or a multiple stem going in different angles, so it's usually leaning one way or another. It's not a formal type of habit, like when you think of the weeping willow being very upright and then weeping over. This is sort of just leaning at different angles, not really weeping, but with the newest branches being a little bit flexible and drooping. The leaves are a simple alternate leaf, sort of this linear or lanceolate leaf shape, this sort of medium dark green, just paler underneath, kind of a little bit of a glossy finish to the leaf. It has a very fine tooth serration along the margin. The fall color on the willow is yellow. This is a dioecious plant, and so if you are planting it, the male would not have the seeds, which are very viable. So if you do plant this intentionally, if you can get a male specimen, you'll have less volunteer seedlings. The stem on the black willow, the young stem, is very flexible, kind of a greenish color and smooth, and then starts to mature to kind of a reddish brown to gray. The bark eventually forms into kind of deeply fissured either scales or furrows. And when it becomes furrowed, which is even at a more kind of advanced stage, sometimes these furrows appear to kind of spiral up the stem or the trunk of the plant. The wood in the plant, it grows so fast, the wood is kind of soft and weak. It can break up in wind or ice in Oklahoma. The willow is dioecious, and the catkins, or this kind of drooping panicle of flower structure, appear around the time the leaves come out. And then the fruit is similar, like a very much smaller version of the cottonwood. These sort of capsules with little fine hairy seeds that come out and travel with the wind, so they can actually travel quite a great distance. This plant loves moisture, so it's great along stream banks. It tolerates a lot of different range of soil conditions as long as it has moisture. Short-lived, 30 to 40 years max on this particular plant.